Wagwan, wagwan! It's your girl Tash, and I am so excited! To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know up. Great things are happening, yeah. Guys, if you ever knew how long I have been trying to get this guy to make a video for you guys, trust me, you guys would give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and share this video, because I asked this guy like 5 times to make a video for you guys, and every time he comes to my salon, he's like, next time, next time, and he said that like 5 times. But today, I am so excited because he finally gave me the thumbs up. So big up yourself, AJ. One love. Guys, if you're not yet a subscriber, please pause the video, run the subscribe, and come back, because some great things are happening and some great things are about to happen right here on this channel. And if you don't know about the amazing hair growth journeys on this channel, please check out my playlist, My Husband's Hair Journey, Short Hairstyles, Hair Growth Reviews, etc. to get yourself familiarized with this channel, my work, and the services that I offer. A big, massive shout out to my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me, and to all the clients who traveled from other countries to start their hair journey with me. Big up on yourself. One love. Guys, my full speechless hair care range is now available for sale, and you guys can purchase from our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and you can now book a virtual one-to-one consultation with myself and I on our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk. So in this video, I am going to show you guys how to style my favorite side braids, aka Popsmokes braids. Well, it was side braids before Popsmokes rocket, so to me it's still side braids. So I'm going to show you guys how to zigzag side braids. And guys, there's not really much I can say about this. All I can do is just demonstrate this for you guys. So please watch as I demonstrate. And please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and most of all, comment your thoughts and views on this tutorial. Your comment is important. I know your grandmother or somebody always telling us, say, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. But me are telling you, say, whether I don't have something good to say or not, me still want to know if you say something. I want to know comment. Alright, guys? And please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Up.